Welcome to Garden Believer. I am Sharika. I believe in your green thumb. Okay, so today I want to do a video on a recap when I talked about in my last video that I needed to clean my flower bed out and rearrange the flowers so they could look neater and better. So what I decided to do, start off with my rose garden area. That showed you guys where the water fountain. I repositioned my water fountain already so it could look better from coming from the street. And then I have Jackson Perkins bare root roses. I have David Austin roses. I told you I had some tulip petunias in the front, and then I have some double knockout roses I want to add, and then I have that white tea rose that I have planted, and then I have on the side of each side of my staircase here. You see the staircase is here, the front door behind me. I have the white wedding hydrangeas that gets 4 to 6 feet tall and 3 to 5 feet wide. So that is what we're gonna get started on today. So let's get started. Okay, here's the finished rose garden area that completed. As you can see over here is the double knockout rose that I planted here, and then the iceberg rose, tea rose that I planted over there, and also another knockout rose right over there. And then I have these drift roses I already had previously from last year. You guys already know that I have repositioned my sweet petunias around here, and I actually moved this drift rose. It's coming back. I thought it was going to suffer, but it's rising up a little bit. We got some new buds on it. It didn't like that I moved it from my flower bed down there to here, but we'll see how it does. And then you guys know I have that bare root Jackson and Perkins rose right here, and this one is called the Rose Moon Dance. And then I have some David Austin's on the east side, which I need to move this fountain over. Rose is here, another bare root that's growing really well. And I have the sweet rose here, David Austin, and then another Jackson Perkins back there. But as you can see, this is where I want to keep around my fountain. Just be my rose garden. So as you can see, it's looking pretty nice. Comment and let me know what you think about it, and then don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a great day.